Have you ever wondered how tiny seeds turn into big green plants? Do you think plants need a secret snack to grow? Let's find out together. First, let's look at a little brown seed. It's small and sleepy. What do we need to wake it up? That's right, seeds need water. When we give the seed some water, it gets a nice, big drink. Next, seeds need warm sunlight. The sun shines bright and keeps the seed cozy and warm. With water and sun, something amazing happens. The seed starts to open. Out comes a tiny root, pointing down into the dirt. The root drinks up water from the soil. Then, a little green stem pops up, reaching for the sun. Leaves start to grow. They look like tiny green hands waving hello. The plant keeps growing taller and taller with more water and sunlight. Soon, it is a big, happy plant. Some plants even grow flowers or tasty fruits. Did you guess what plants need to grow? They need water and sunlight. Next time you see a plant, you'll know its secret. Auto Shorts made this fun video. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.